welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about offshore accident attorney. Okay, so let's start. First I will open the Google, and now in this video I'm also telling about offshore accident lawyer. Okay, so what does an offshore accident lawyer do? Okay, each and every information is here about how offshore accident lawyer. Okay, so now guys, in this video I'm also telling all information about offshore accident lawyers. Okay, what it is and how it's work. Okay, so now offshore accident lawyers over 40 years experienced. Okay, so in this side I hope you also like this video. Okay, so in this video I'm also telling and explaining offshore accident lawyer finding a claim under the this law. Okay, getting the help, providing your love rights, each and every information about offshore injury lawyer and claims. Okay, in this video I'm also telling about, okay, the ocean is the most dangerous workplace on the planet. USA maritime industries are found in nearly every state, employing more than 400,000 workers across the nation. Maritime workers find employment in a variety of fields such as shipyards, marine terminals, fishing, aquaculture, seafood processing, commercial diving, and marine transportation. According to the Centers for Disease Control, maritime workers face a higher risk of fatality, injury, and illness than the average American workers. From slips and falls to equipment failure, collisions, fires, and unsafe work practices and negligence, offshore injuries usually require costly medical care. Sometimes long-term catastrophic injuries can mean an injured worker who relies on his or her physical ability may not be able to return to work. Okay, this can be devastating for families, particularly if the worker is the whole breadwinner and can no longer earn earn a living. Okay, offshore injuries are covered by laws that are different from those that apply to land-based workers. If you or someone you love has been injured or fallen ill while working offshore, we encourage you to get in touch with an experienced offshore injury attorney at Montagna Maritime Law as soon as possible to request your free cause evaluation. Okay, types of offshore injuries. When an offshore worker takes on employment in the maritime industry, it's understood the job is physically demanding and comes with inherent risks that are far more dangerous compared to land-based work. Injuries are common and range from the very minor to the horrific and even death. In many cases, minor injuries can become much more significant over time. Okay, so some of the most common types offshore injury accidents are also here. Okay, traumatic brain injury. Okay, TBIS can be sustained in any number of offshore. Okay, spinal and back injured. Operating equipment carrying heavy loads and harder labor can be back breaking work requiring many hours of standing, lifting, twisting, and pulling. Okay, and the next one is slips and falls. Injuries experienced in slip and falls are among the most common and can be serious. Accident caused by slip and falls can result in concussions and contusions to bones. Okay, loss of hearing. If hearing protection is not provided or mandated, it's possible that over time workers will be exposed to enough significant noise to diminish their hearing. In some cases where work environments are loud enough, tinnitus or total hearing loss can develop. Loss of limbs. Inadvertently walking into the path of a truck for a forklift, working with the cables under tensions, or getting a leg caught and crushed beneath unsteady cargo like coils, pipes, plates, and tires can lead to injury requiring amputation. Okay, the loss of limbs is a life-changing injury and often requires a prosthetic. Okay, crushing injuries and broken bones. Offshore works usually entails a significant reliance on heavy machinery, either for constructions for day-to-day work. Injuries can often occur when this machinery breaks down or when safety procedures are not followed. These injuries often result in broken or crushed bones bone crushing injuries or can also result in damaging to internal organs and create life threatening and situations. Okay, I hope you also like this video. Inshallah we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.